Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get a durable gas mask. First, assess your specific needs, whether for chemical, biological, or particulate protection. Next, research well-regarded manufacturers that specialize in personal protective equipment. Look for masks designed to meet international safety standards, ensuring reliable performance. Prioritize models with easily replaceable filters and a comfortable, secure fit for extended wear. This initial research saves time and ensures you select an appropriate and long-lasting device. When selecting a durable gas mask, focus on key material specifications. Butyl rubber or high-grade silicone offers superior resistance to many hazardous substances and extreme temperatures. A 40mm NATO standard filter thread ensures wide compatibility and easy replacement of filters, which typically last for 8 hours of continuous use. Additionally, an impact-resistant polycarbonate visor provides excellent visibility and protection against physical damage, contributing significantly to the mask's overall longevity and reliability. To maximize your gas mask's lifespan, proper maintenance is crucial. After every use, gently clean the mask body with mild soap and water, avoiding harsh chemicals that can degrade materials. Allow it to air dry completely before storage. Always store your mask in its original container or a dedicated, airtight bag in a cool, dark, and dry environment, ideally between 50 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Regular inspections of the face seal, head harness, and valves will help identify and address minor issues. For easy acquisition, buy your gas mask from authorized distributors or well-known safety equipment retailers. Avoid unverified sellers to prevent counterfeit products. Always confirm the mask comes with a valid manufacturer's warranty, typically 1 to 2 years, covering defects. Upon receiving it, familiarize yourself with its components and practice putting it on and taking it off quickly. This ensures you can achieve a proper seal in under 10 seconds during an emergency, making your durable gas mask truly effective when needed most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.